Welcome to PetsApp's Reminders module. Reminders are an essential tool for any clinic for boosting compliance with your recommendations, increasing revenue and engagement with all your other features like appointment booking, health plans, etc. The way our reminders work, they're the most powerful reminders on the market. They actually go out through 4 different delivery methods, including push notification to PetsApp, email, text, and we can even do postcards. We can send reminders based on any product or appointment type in your PIMS, anything in your PMS essentially, or any transaction that's taken place. We can use that to send basically a series of reminders based on that initial trigger, which was the purchase or the appointment being booked, etc. Now, this is really advantageous for the clinic because you could send really simple reminders such as a vaccine being overdue, or you could build a full schedule of reminders to go out to start to automate the post-operative process, for instance, and really relieve pressure on your veterinary technicians or your nursing team. We allow clinics to send an unlimited number of different types of reminders or different cadences of reminder, and the power behind our delivery methods is that we prioritize push notification. So we've used machine learning, and we know that a push notification to an app is 30% more engaging for a pet owner to receive than a text or an email. What's great about this is within a push notification, we can include various other rich call to actions that are going to really boost engagement and compliance with your recommendations. So if you take this instance of a vaccine being overdue, you can quite easily include a live appointment booking option for the client to book directly in for their appointment on receiving their reminder, rather than getting a text and thinking, I must remember to call the clinic when I get a moment. So what you find is compliance will really skyrocket when you introduce a push notification style reminder in combination with email and SMS and postcard even. The cool thing about this is you can customize it. So if you look at this schedule of reminders going out, say we are automating the post-operative process, maybe we say, please could you send us a photo of Ziggy's wound so we can see how things are progressing. The pet owner could quite easily start a chat and send through a photo to update you. You could even have one that says, please leave us a lovely review, and include, instead of an appointment booking option, a open link with a link to your Google Forms or your Google reviews, and you can label it as, please leave us a nice review. So you can capture information in various different ways throughout this process. It will absolutely relieve pressure on your team, it will reduce phone calls, it will make life more convenient for your clients as well, and overall lead to better patient outcomes. Please do let us know if you have any questions about how our reminders work. We know they're going to be helpful for your clinic, and they are a step above traditional reminders available in the market at the moment.